You walk every day through a world teeming with invisible threats. A single doorknob, a cough or sneeze from across the room, the very air you breathe, all are battlegrounds. Yet most days you are perfectly fine. Have you imagined how that is even possible? It's because inside you is a civilization of 100 trillion cells, living in a delicate, bustling harmony. And, like any great kingdom or civilization, it has an army, not one, but two, a brutal, lightning-fast frontline and a silent, elite force of super soldiers who never forget a face. This is the story of your immune system. For now, the kingdom is safe, defenses vigilant and cell walls glowing with life. But peace never lasts forever. Beyond the walls, enemies wait. When the defenses falter, the shadow invaders surge forward, merciless and unrelenting, hijacking your cells and turning them into factories for its army. The alarm is sounded instantly, and the city watchers swing into action. This is the innate immune system. They are ancient, fearless, and always on patrol, with a simple rule: if it's not one of us, destroy it. They fight with brute force, engulfing invaders and unleashing chemical chaos to contain the threat. But this comes with the collateral damage, which is what you feel sometimes as a sore throat or a stuffy nose. The city watchers are brave, but they are not specialists. They are just buying time, because they have called for backup. The scouts, dendritic cells, carries the enemy's signature or intel, known as antigens, to the lymph nodes or command center of your kingdom. Here, it seeks the second army, the adaptive immune system. These are elite special forces, each trained for one specific enemy. The ultimate assassin, killer T-cells, now knows its target from the intel delivered by the scouts. It duplicates into a legion and heads to the battlefront, not to fight the invaders in the open, but to surgically eliminate the enemy and their own corrupted cells. Meanwhile, in the weaponsmith, the Seeker missiles are forged and a storm of antibodies is unleashed into the highways of your kingdom. This is the perfect combo attack. The assassins take out the source, while the Seeker missiles mop up the enemy armies. As the threat is contained and the invasion fails, the city watchers stand down. Peace and harmony returns to the kingdom. But here is the true genius of your kingdom. The adaptive army never forgets. A portion of these elite soldiers remain for years, sometimes for a lifetime, as memory cells. They carry the blueprint of the shadow invader forever. If this enemy ever dares to return, there will be no battle, no sickness, just a swift, silent, and overwhelming response. This is immunity. It is not just a wall, it is a living, learning library of every enemy you have ever faced. But what if your kingdom could prepare for a war, even without being invaded? That's the secret behind vaccines. They are like a carefully crafted battle manual, a safe, harmless fragment of the enemy's signature. When delivered to the lymph nodes, your elite forces study it, rehearse the battle, and forge weapons in advance. No chaos, no destruction, just training drills for your microscopic soldiers. This is the story of your survival, written in the language of cells, the silent, epic war that is fought for you every single day.